Our super strong neodymium disc magnets are powerful rare earth magnets perfect for a variety of uses. Ideal for fridges, DIY projects, building, scientific experiments, crafts, and office organization, these magnets offer exceptional strength and durability. Their compact disc shape ensures a secure hold, even on challenging surfaces. Whether you're creating custom projects or organizing your workspace, these versatile magnets provide reliable performance and endless possibilities. Upgrade your tools with these essential, high-quality neodymium magnets.
Thank you for watching.